What up, blockchain nation? What up, YouTube? So if you're here to learn about Decentraland, you've come to the right place. So what really is Decentraland? Decentraland is a virtual world which is built on top of Ethereum. Ethereum is a decentralized platform. If you watch this channel, you know pretty much what Ethereum is. I'll put a link below just for a quick refresher of the Ethereum application. But I'm guessing that most people here already know what Ethereum is, but I don't want to assume. But anyways, it's a virtual world built on top of the Ethereum blockchain, and it's very exciting. It's a very exciting project, and I'm just going to walk you through what the project's about. And so to play Decentraland, you just go to play.decentraland.org, and then what you need is a browser extension called MetaMask. So you go to your apps, you click on apps, and a web store, excuse me, and then you're looking for an extension called MetaMask. Now I already have this installed, but you would see it right here. This is what MetaMask is. As you can see, I have MetaMask here. So if you don't have MetaMask, you just have to install it right there, and it's very, very simple to do. And then you install your MetaMask wallet, and then to play Decentraland, here we click Decentraland. It connects to MetaMask, as you can see. Ordinarily to ask you for your password, but I'm guessing it might not in my case because I've logged in multiple times. Now the first time you do this will take a while, but because I've played it a couple of times, it doesn't really take that long in my case. But don't be worried, the first time you launch your environment, your Decentraland environment, it takes a while to come up. So here it is. This is Decentraland. So very nice graphics. You can hear sounds, so you can chat, you can have friends. Here you go. So here are my friends. You can meet people, you can add friends. I added this person. Did I add this person? Top of the person's name. You and Spotty are now friends. Great. So friend request. So you can make friends, which is cool in this virtual world. To know the controls of how to move around, you press C for control, and it shows you how you navigate around Decentraland. You can use your keyboard, WASD, forward, left, right, and back, or you can use your arrow keys. But this pretty much shows you everything that you need to do. So I'll just press C again. It takes me back here. Right. So I can also click on Explore. If I want to go anywhere in Decentraland, I can just come to this Explore page, and once I click anywhere, it teleports me, which is a cool feature. So when you get to Decentraland, you are what you call the Genesis Plaza, which is this location. But if I want to go to another location, I can just come here and teleport, or I can also go to any teleport screen like here. Well, that's what this is. So this is a nice view, but the view I prefer is to click V. No, that is not what it's supposed to do. Yeah, okay, anyways, this is me. So I press on V, and it's not doing that. So let me just, maybe my PC is hanging. So anyway, this is me looking left, looking around. Here's a nice guy who's, I don't know who this is. You can view people's profile. Wait, if you stay still, I can say. Anyway, you can view people's profile. Okay, here's somebody. Wait, would you stop doing that? So you can, you know, let me change the view. I click on V. Perfect, that's what I was trying to do. So that's me. This is my avatar, looking cool, looking so hot, looking so hot, looking so hot. So I press the escape button to have my cursor. I can move, or I have to, hey. Someone is saying, hey, let me not be rude. So I respond, hey dude, why isn't she? So respond. And somebody says, hey, how do I respond? Hey. I say, hello. I hope this is not distracting. Okay, this is going to be distracting. So I'm going to ignore friends for now. So if you want to invite somebody as a friend, you go up to the person and you look at their profile. Like this guy, and click below profile. It tells you the person's name. You can decide to add them as a friend, and then who knows. So this is kind of like a virtual. I don't know you. I'm getting out of here. This guy's creepy. So if you want more information, you can click on the e-talk here. So this guy is just creepy for you up and down. You click on, and he's wearing the same shirt as I hate that. So you can click on this e-talk, and this little robot gets to answer some of your questions, which is a fun feature. You can say, hi, I'm Alice, welcome to Genesis Plaza, would you like to learn more? You can say yes or no. I'm going to say no. So I'll be around if you get curious. So I can always come back and ask Alice questions. But for now, so there are different ways to explore the Decentraland. You can just pretty much run or walk everywhere. Or there's something you can do, which is you can teleport. So I'll show you how to teleport. You just come to here, teleport to this event. I just click yes, I would like to teleport. And it says Tomb Chaser Park, and I say jump in. So it starts to take me to that location. Voila, so that's cool. I have come to this location, and as you can see on top here, it says Monos Park. It tells me the location where I am. So Decentraland is land. It's a huge virtual world with so many parcels of land everywhere, and you get to buy land, and you can if you want to. I'll get to that, but I'm getting ahead of myself. So I've teleported to a different location, and so it takes my browser is or my PC's performance is horrible. So if you want to get the best out of this game, you make sure you have a nice graphics card. So here are people reaching out to me to say hello, but no, I'm not chatting now. So this is pretty much, I left Genesis Plaza and I've come to this new location where the party is at. I can walk around, I can see what's going on, but it seems to be lagging or dragging, excuse me. So it's not a very fun experience. Anyway, so let me just, this is the teleport feature. I've come to this location. So if at any time in this game you're stuck and you're wondering, I'm lost, you want to get back to a particular place, you can look for a portal to take you back, or you can just come here and this will take you right back to the Genesis Plaza. Come back some other time. Here we go, Genesis Plaza, and explore what's going on here. So I decided to go back to the Genesis Plaza. Okay, so cool, I'm back at Genesis Plaza. You can see the coordinates are 0, 0. I'll show you what that means. So you come back here to Genesis Plaza, where it all begins. So, like I said, to move forward, back, the keys or the controls are right here. You can navigate your way around just by using these controls. But you can click on I and it will take you to your profile, which is here. So you can decide how you want to look, change your avatar, change your hairstyle, change your pants, your clothes. I saw some guy wearing the same pants as I hate it when people, so I'm going to change to these blue, nice blue jeans. And then shoes wise, I think I like my flip-flops, so I'll keep that. Anyway, so a very interesting part of this, I click on done, it takes me out. But so here I look good, but I'm not actually done. I'll just go back. So one part of this game is the marketplace. I'll just show you that real quick. If I go to collectibles and I say I want to go to the Decentraland marketplace. Now the Decentraland marketplace is where you can buy different items. So the currency that you spend in Decentraland is a virtual currency called Mana. Mana is something that you can buy just by first buying Ethereum tokens. So you can do this all in your MetaMask wallets. You can buy Ethereum from Coinbase, move it to your MetaMask wallet, and then you can change your Ethereum to Mana. I've done a video close to that. Just look at my beginner's guide to cryptocurrencies, and I'll show you how you can buy cryptocurrencies and obviously trade or change cryptocurrencies. So you can use stuff, eyewear, clothes. These are all non-fungible NFTs, and you can buy different items. And then you can also buy land. So I know people who have bought thousands of dollars and they spent it on this game in acquiring land, which is fascinating, exciting, and scary at the same time. Who knows what it was? So you can buy different parcels of land. It shows the coordinates where the land is. Like I said, the Genesis Plaza is 0, 0, this 52.5. And so you can come here and you can buy land if that's your thing. I'm not saying you should, but you can. Yeah, so explore this and see how that goes. So, and here we're done. So here's the game. So the game is just straightforward. You can walk around. I'll just show you one more thing. So when you come into the game, if you want to learn more about Decentraland, if I can find it, there's this real cool plaza. Where is it? Is it in this coordinate? Is it here? Is it here? Let's just try and find it. It's like a museum where you can learn about Decentraland. So that's not it. It used to be over there. Is that it over here? Let's see if we can find it. No, that's not it. That's not what I was looking for. It's a nice museum. Let's see it this way. So this is acres and acres of land, really. I mean, the game is just beginning. So if you get here, you don't see too many people, don't feel funny. I think it's just a growing thing. First time I started playing this, there weren't too many people. Now it looks like there are more and more people. Can I find a map here? What does the map say? I'm looking for the museum. Aha, there it is. Voila. So I was on the right track. It's a nice museum. I have no idea why I found this. That shows you stuff. It's kind of like a history museum. So I can take the stairs, or I can take this really cool elevator. So I'm just going to take the elevator. No, did you miss the elevator? Here we go. We're up here. Yeah. So this was the last time I want to show you. Is a place where you can explore the beauty of Decentraland, the first land auction. You can get information about that. You can read. So I think this is the first place you should visit. It's very close to Genesis Plaza when you get to Decentraland, where you can come here to this cool museum and you can have some of your questions answered. So I haven't taken the time to walk out through the entire Decentraland, but it's a nice, noble concept. So that's pretty much it. I think this is a really cool game. I honestly, in my personal opinion, I will see how this plays out. I think Facebook is going in this direction. Look at different features of Decentraland. You can add friends, you can invite friends. Where is that? You can add different friends. Like I've made friends on Decentraland. You can have chats with people. It's like a virtual world you can come and live in. You can look. Well, I don't look like this in real life, but is this the look I want to adopt? Anyways, I don't think so. You know, you can meet people, you have your currency where you can buy stuff, you can buy land in this decentralized world. I think Facebook is going in this direction because one, Facebook is big on augmented reality, AR and VR. Two, Facebook is doing its own cryptocurrency, arguably called DM. I've done a lot of videos on this. So I see Facebook building when everybody's tired of the whole phone thing, sitting down and sending messenger on Facebook, because I don't know too many people who are really much on different apps nowadays, or they are. I'll change it. I'll correct that. Most people are on their phone, but apps need to have some kind of advantage. That's what I'm trying to go to. So I think it's a huge advantage for a company like Facebook. So imagine they have AR, VR, they have their own cryptocurrencies, and they can just create their own virtual world, kind of like this, where people can just come and do whatever it is that they want to do and have fun. So it's cool. What's this guy saying? Don't jump, it's not worth it. Who is going to jump? Anyways, this is all I have. This is Decentraland. Please take a look and tell me what you think. So, cool beans. This is nice. A painting. Community wearable contest. Can we see what this is? At the start of 2020, the community of the contest come up with the designs for wearables. Oh, interesting. That's good information. I did not know these were the crafted following specifications out by the contestants and some really fun images. Cool. Anyways, I don't know if there's anything else for me to show here besides that, and that's pretty much it for me. Anyway, till next time, my wish for you is that you learn more about blockchain technology, because blockchain is changing and will change the world, especially in the whole decentralized finance and Decentraland space. And those who get involved early, in my personal opinion, will greatly impact the future. And if that is you, then that's going to change the world.